Morning guys, it is October 30th, 2020. Looks like it's snowing out. Looks like it's snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. But anyway, this one here, I gotta go winterize a little barn. I've done it before, and go over there and give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Go over there and give it to you. How you doing, Mama? It's like a little barn. I don't think that. I think she got a little electric heaters in there or something, but it's one of those that needs to be done. I do it every year. I'll try to get you some shots. Gotta shut electric heater off. It should be hot water. Is this 220 here? There's the 220 that's off. Shut that off, the water heater. Get a screwdriver for it. This thing needs new washers. Next time I come here in the spring, I'll put new washers on it. The sink. Let's got a toilet here. Snowing out. Alright guys, so this goes out to the cottage. I got a drain here, so I'll shut this off. And I'll put this on here. I'll put compressed air on it. Open this and it'll blow out the lines. It runs outside. It runs all the way to the... So this is off. Hook up the compressor and we'll be good to go. Maybe. Cobweb City. I got it set at 60. Heater first, I guess. This dumps down below. Crawl space. Got the electric off to it, so it should be good. Alright, just air coming out now, so I'm gonna shut it off. Pressurize. This tank will get pressurized, and then we could pull the rest of it out. Gotta go around a couple of times and get all the air out. All I gotta do is put new washers in this thing come springtime. Oh, I think she's a rainbow flag lady. She's big into the rainbow flag. Ain't rocket science, just pushing all the water out with air from the other house. Yeah. Cottage didn't wrong with a handle or something because it's kind of funky. It's upside down. She built a had a wooden. What the hell's going on here with this thing? This must be shut off. I wonder why the thing's not working. Something's wrong there. Must have a bad fill valve or something. It's kind of weird. Must have been airbound or something. Kind of odd. I'm gonna pump it out. I'm going to put antifreeze in there anyway, but we want to get as much water out as we can. We don't have to use as much antifreeze. That thing holds a lot of water. 5-gallon buckets, half full. That's a lot of water. There we go. Dump it down the shower again. We'll shut the compressor off now and we're going to open this up here and dump it down here. Basically just air. Yeehaw! Open. And that runs all the way out to the barn. We'll leave that open like that, so if anybody opens it, it'll dump out here. Open everything up, leave everything open. See, open this up. Put that faucet open too. Really freeze up. I'm gonna put some in here because this will keep the sewer gas, right? I don't think there's a lot in there. We'll put some in here too. It'll hurt. We'll dump it all because I'm charging it for a whole container. There you go.